Hey friends, thanks for watching. I was at Trader Joe's the other day buying groceries and I was like, let me stock up on some of my beauty favorites from Trader Joe's. And then I realized I never shared a video where I talk about some of the Trader Joe's stuff that I have been purchasing. And some I've been buying for like more than 10 years. So today, finally, I'm sharing some Trader Joe's beauty products, and this is a Trader Joe's haul. Some of the stuff are brand new to me and some of the stuff I've been using forever. So let's just get into this haul. So the first thing that I want to mention that I've been using probably on and off for a good 10 years, the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa Conditioner and Shampoo. The shampoo is it's whatever, it does the job, but the conditioner is what is worth it. So I probably should have just purchased the conditioner, but I was running out of both. I shared a hair care video recently. I was running out of the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner that I love. But if there is anything that leaves your hair so shiny, it would be this. There's this shampoo conditioner set doesn't have a scent. You know, Trader Joe's sells a tea tree one. I think it's called like Tea Tree Tingle. That one is kind of like a dupe for I forgot the name. I think Matrix that has like that tea tree. Oh, no, Paul Mitchell has the tea tree. Yeah, but this one has like a clean scent. In a way, I've always thought it kind of smelled like bubble gum. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the conditioner and shampoo, but let me know. Am I weird that I think it kind of smells like bubble gum? I think it does. You guys have to try this. It works so well. It leaves your hair really soft and really shiny. And every single time I use this conditioner, because I like to use different products on and off, and every time I go back to this, I'm like, what the heck was I doing with my life? Like, why am I not using this all the time? But that's because I like to smell different types of shampoos and conditioners. But you guys have to buy this, and if you guys don't care so much for buying the shampoo, that's okay, but try the conditioner. You guys will thank me later. Do it, you guys. And since we're on the topic of hair, this is my third time buying this. This is the Trader Joe's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask. The first time I tried it, I was like, wow, this is a really good hair mask. First of all, it moisturizes your hair, of course, because it's got shea butter and coconut oil. You can even do a coconut oil hair mask yourself if you didn't want to buy this. But this is just so nice and convenient, and I don't feel bad using up this product regularly, simply because it is a really good price and it moisturizes and revitalizes dry, damaged hair. And I feel like sometimes lately my ends are really, really dry. My hair is really long. I haven't done much with it. I haven't gotten a trim and I don't even know how long. So I feel like after I use it, it just gives my hair the extra moisture that it needs, and it just leaves your hair so shiny and most of all so soft after you use it. What I like to do is I shampoo regularly, and then after I shampoo, I'll put this mask all over my hair. I'll kind of like tie it up in a bun on the top of my head, and then I'll do the rest of the stuff like, body wash, shaving, exfoliating, washing my face, exfoliating my face, scrubbing the armpits, all that jazz. And then that'll probably be like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll rinse off the hair mask. But I'll try to keep it away from the water because I just really want my hair to suck in all that goodness, and it always does the job. I just feel like after I do it, my hair is so soft, but the problem is I don't do it as regularly as I should. It should probably be once a week, but it's more like every other week for me. But as long as I get it done, and plus, sometimes I forget, because with this good conditioner, I will be forgetting, This is actually new to me. Trader Joe's Blueberry and Acai Facial Scrub, and I smelled it, you guys. It smells like an acai bowl. I kind of want to eat it, but of course I'm not going to. And this is made with blueberries, and I've already tested it out on the back of my hand. And it's like a gentle scrub, so it's not going to really be abrasive to your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this might work out really well for you. But it does have alpha hydroxy acid, which is an exfoliator, but a different kind. It's an acid that will soften up your skin and exfoliate your skin in that way. And I'm so excited to use this, you guys. This is a little bit pricier than other products that I've tried at Trader Joe's, but I'm still very excited to try it. I've noticed like facial products are kind of pricey every now and then. And then I only have 2 things left, and I think I'm gonna save the best for last. But this I've shared so often in a lot of my DIY videos. I haven't done a DIY video in forever. Honestly, it's because ever since I had Jacob, I don't know, like, 1 kid is easy to manage, but then when you have 2, it's like it gets a little harder. And then I've got 3 channels and I gotta edit those. So like yeah, I haven't had much time to do DIYs because I just don't. And anyways, I went on a tangent, but this is my tea tree oil that I always buy at Trader Joe's, and I don't even know how many I've gone through, maybe 5, 7 of these guys. This works really well for spot treatment for big pimples. You know, tea tree oil is also a great product that is an antibacterial, so you might want to do a DIY spray for, you know, pillowcases, shoes. But if you have cats, I have 3, this is something that you want to keep away from your cats, because cats are, I think it's poisonous to cats, so it's not something that you want around your cat. So I usually just use this around my bedroom because my cats don't go in my bedroom, but all over the house I don't even have tea tree oil out there. Like, I don't. And I only will put tea tree oil on my face or on the pillowcases and things like that in our room because our cats don't go in here. And then I'm saving the best for last, like I mentioned. Oh my gosh, if you guys have been watching my videos since like 2009, you guys have seen me talk about this bar of soap forever. This is the lavender triple milled soap. It is amazing. It has the I don't even know what these are, like the lavender flowers in them, and it really exfoliates. You guys have to try it, smell it, let me know how you like it, and you guys are gonna thank me for it because it's the best smelling soap. I do have to admit though, this soap, if you have dry skin, you're gonna need to moisturize because this soap is the stuff that will really clean out your skin. And if you ran out of any makeup cleansers, Ivory or this soap will clean your makeup brushes really well. Or the Dawn soap that I mentioned in like a cleaning video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give all of these Trader Joe's products a try. Well, except for this one. I haven't tried this one yet, but I just wanted to share it because I recently purchased it. But I thank you guys so very much for watching. If you guys want more of these Trader Joe's videos, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'll also link below my old Trader Joe's haul videos. I love a lot of their like frozen meals. They're so good, you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.